I bet you didn't know.
Making $150 a day online could be this easy. Yes, you heard that right. In today's digital age, earning money online has never been more accessible. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or make a full-time living, there are numerous opportunities out there just waiting for you to tap into.
Stick around, and I'll show you how. First up, freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most flexible and lucrative ways to make money online. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose projects that interest you.
Websites like Upwork and Fiverr let you sell your skills. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or even a voiceover artist, there's a demand for your talents. These platforms connect you with clients from all over the world, giving you the opportunity to work on a variety of projects and build a diverse portfolio.
Write, design, or even voiceover, you name it. Next, online surveys. Online surveys are a simple and straightforward way to make some extra cash. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your opinions.
Sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay you for your opinions. Easy, right? Third, try dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to them.
You sell products and suppliers handle the rest. This means you can focus on marketing and growing your business without worrying about storage or shipping. Shopify is a popular platform for setting up a dropshipping store, and there are plenty of resources available to help you get started.
Check out Shopify to get started.
What's good, buddy? It's been a little while, but you already know what it is. G, it's the one, the only, coming back with more heat for you this time, with a lot of assistance guiding you to a path filled with rubber bands and blue hundreds in your bank account. Feel me? Now tighten up. I'm not promising anything because most the battle is you taking action. However, this video is a gateway similar to nicotine, and if you stay with it, you'll be successful with a healthy kind of consistent addiction.
Fourth, become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link.
Promote products, get commissions. It's a great way to monetize your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. By recommending products you genuinely believe in, you can build trust with your audience and generate a steady stream of income.
Amazon Associates is a great place to begin. Amazon's affiliate program is one of the most popular and trusted in the industry. With millions of products to choose from, you can find something that aligns with your niche and start earning commissions right away.
Last but not least, create content on YouTube or TikTok. Content creation is a powerful way to share your passions and expertise with the world while making money. Whether you're into vlogging, tutorials, or entertainment, there's an audience out there for you.
Ads and sponsorships can bring in the cash. As your channel grows, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. Brands are always looking for influencers to collaborate with, and this can lead to lucrative partnerships.
So, there you have it. 5 simple ways to make $150 a day online. Each of these methods has its own unique advantages, and with a bit of effort and dedication, you can turn them into a reliable source of income.
Time to get started. The internet is full of opportunities, and there's no better time than now to take advantage of them. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore these options, and start your journey to financial freedom today.
I want to give you the pros and cons of each of these because these categories are based on reality, and not everything that glitters is gold for every person, you dig? With the pros and cons, this gives you practically everything you individually need to know in whatever you choose that corresponds with your life in the best way, which will in turn correlate the maximum amount of profit you potentially create for yourself.
Now, let's dive deeper into the pros and cons of each method. Starting with freelancing, one of the biggest advantages is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose projects that interest you. However, it can be challenging to find consistent work, especially when you're just starting out. Building a client base takes time and effort, and there can be periods of uncertainty between projects.
Moving on to online surveys, the biggest pro is how easy and straightforward they are. You can do them in your spare time, and they don't require any special skills. On the downside, the pay is relatively low compared to other methods. It might take a lot of surveys to make a significant amount of money, and some survey sites have a minimum payout threshold that can be frustrating to reach.
Dropshipping offers the advantage of not needing to hold inventory, which reduces upfront costs and risks. You can focus on marketing and growing your business. However, the competition can be fierce, and profit margins can be thin. Additionally, you're reliant on suppliers to fulfill orders, which can lead to issues with shipping times and product quality.
Affiliate marketing is great because it allows you to earn passive income. Once you've set up your content and referral links, you can continue to earn commissions without much ongoing effort. The downside is that it can take time to build an audience and gain their trust. You'll need to consistently create valuable content and effectively promote products to see significant earnings.
Lastly, content creation on platforms like YouTube and TikTok can be incredibly rewarding. You have the potential to reach a large audience and earn money through various streams like ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. However, it requires a lot of time and effort to create high-quality content and grow your channel. The competition is also intense, and it can take a while to start seeing substantial income.
Each of these methods has its own set of pros and cons, and the best one for you will depend on your skills, interests, and goals. It's important to do your research and consider what aligns best with your lifestyle and aspirations.
So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore these options, and start your journey to financial freedom today. The internet is full of opportunities, and there's no better time than now to take advantage of them. With dedication and effort, you can turn these methods into a reliable source of income.
All right, listen up, you absolute legends. That's all I've got for you today on the 5 fastest ways to stack that cash online in 2024. If you're not out there hustling after this, I don't know what to tell you. You're just gonna have to take another L. But what I'm going to need you to do right now is click on one of the 2 videos popping up right now and get more of this free value to stack your paper. Remember, whether you're grinding on freelance gigs, flipping stuff like a boss, or crushing it with your own epic content, the internet's your oyster. So get after it, on God. Don't forget to smash that like button, demolish that subscribe, and annihilate that notification bell. Your boy's dropping fresh money-making wisdom 3 times every week, so stay tuned. Now get off your butts and go make that money rain. Catch you on the flip side, you absolute ballers.